Welcome to ABC English Story. Today we bring you an inspiring journey through the life of Marie Curie, a woman of science, resilience, and groundbreaking discoveries. Her story is not just about science, but also about determination, perseverance, and breaking barriers. Stay with us to learn English while discovering the remarkable legacy of one of the greatest scientists in history. Learn English through the story of Marie Curie. Introduction: A woman of science. Marie Curie is one of the most remarkable scientists in history. She made groundbreaking contributions to science, particularly in the field of radioactivity. Her discoveries not only changed scientific understanding, but also paved the way for technological advancements in medicine and industry. Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Learning about Marie Curie's life is not only beneficial for understanding scientific achievements, but also for gaining insight into resilience, determination, and the breaking of societal barriers. She was a pioneer who overcame significant challenges in an era when women had limited opportunities in science. Her story serves as an inspiration to those who seek to pursue knowledge despite obstacles. This essay explores Marie Curie's early life, her struggles and successes in education, her scientific breakthroughs, and the legacy she left behind. By studying her journey, we can appreciate the importance of perseverance, the pursuit of knowledge, and the impact of scientific discovery on the world. Early life and education. Marie Curie was born as Maria Skłodowska in Warsaw, Poland in 1867. From an early age, she displayed an extraordinary passion for learning. However, Poland was under Russian control at the time, and opportunities for women to receive higher education were extremely limited. Despite these challenges, Curie's family encouraged her intellectual pursuits, and she excelled in school. To continue her education, Marie Curie moved to Paris in 1891 to study at the Sorbonne. The transition was difficult, as she had to adapt to a new language and culture while facing financial hardships. Despite these difficulties, she was determined to succeed. She studied tirelessly, earning degrees in physics and mathematics. Her dedication and perseverance led her to become one of the top students in her class. Curie's journey as a student demonstrates the importance of resilience and passion for learning. She faced many obstacles but remained committed to her goal of becoming a scientist. Her experiences as a foreign student in France also highlight the struggles of adjusting to a new academic and cultural environment. Scientific breakthroughs and Nobel Prizes. After completing her studies, Marie Curie began researching radioactivity, a term she coined. Working alongside her husband, Pierre Curie, she made significant discoveries, including the elements polonium and radium. Her experiments demonstrated that radioactivity was an intrinsic property of certain elements, fundamentally changing scientific understanding of atomic structure. In 1903, Marie Curie, along with Pierre Curie and Henri Becquerel, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for their pioneering work in radioactivity. This achievement was groundbreaking, as she became the first woman ever to receive a Nobel Prize. However, despite her success, she faced criticism and resistance from the scientific community, as women were still considered outsiders in the field of science. Marie Curie's determination did not waver. In 1911, she received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for her discovery of radium and polonium and her continued research on radioactivity. This made her the first and only person to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. Her discoveries led to the development of important applications in medical imaging and cancer treatment. Despite her remarkable achievements, Curie faced skepticism and gender-based discrimination. However, she remained focused on her work, proving that dedication and scientific curiosity could overcome societal barriers. Her discoveries continue to influence modern science, particularly in physics, chemistry, and medicine. Personal life and legacy. Marie Curie's personal life was deeply intertwined with her scientific work. She married Pierre Curie in 1895, and together they formed an extraordinary scientific partnership. Their collaboration led to many significant discoveries. However, tragedy struck in 1906 when Pierre Curie died in a tragic accident. Despite this devastating loss, Marie Curie continued her research with unwavering determination. Following Pierre's death, she took over his professorship at the Sorbonne, becoming the first woman to teach at the university. She also worked tirelessly to establish the Radium Institute, which became a leading center for scientific research and medical advancements. Curie's dedication to science extended beyond research. During World War I, she developed mobile X-ray units, which were used on the battlefield to help doctors diagnose injuries. She personally traveled to the front lines to assist in medical treatments, demonstrating her commitment to using science for the benefit of humanity. Marie Curie's legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, particularly women in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. She proved that intelligence, perseverance, and hard work could overcome societal barriers. Today, numerous institutions, awards, and scholarships bear her name, honoring her contributions to science and education. Conclusion: continuing the journey. Marie Curie's life is a testament to the power of knowledge, determination, and resilience. Her contributions to science revolutionized our understanding of radioactivity and laid the foundation for advancements in medicine, energy, and technology. Her achievements serve as an inspiration for aspiring scientists and those who face obstacles in their pursuit of education and knowledge. Curie's story encourages us to continue learning, exploring, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Her journey reminds us that challenges should not deter us from pursuing our passions. Instead, they should serve as motivation to strive harder and achieve greatness. Learning about Marie Curie is not just about understanding science. It is about understanding the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity and make a lasting impact on the world. By following her example, we can embrace curiosity, challenge societal norms, and contribute to a better future through knowledge and discovery. Marie Curie's remarkable journey is a source of inspiration for all. Her life teaches us that perseverance, courage, and a love for learning can lead to extraordinary achievements. As we continue to study and innovate, we honor her legacy and ensure that her contributions to science and humanity are never forgotten. Here are some key phrases and their meanings from your essay. Groundbreaking contributions, important discoveries that changed science. Paved the way, made it possible for future developments. Breaking of societal barriers, overcoming obstacles related to gender or social status. Passion for learning, a strong love for studying and gaining knowledge. Financial hardships, struggles related to money and basic needs. Resilience and perseverance, the ability to keep going despite difficulties. Coined the term, created or invented a new word or concept. Intrinsic property, a natural and essential characteristic of something. Gender-based discrimination, unfair treatment based on being male or female. Intertwined with, closely connected to something. Unwavering determination, strong and unchanging motivation. Commitment to using science for humanity, dedication to applying science to help people. A testament to, proof of something's truth or value. Pushing the boundaries, going beyond what is normally possible. A lasting impact, a change or influence that continues over time. Marie Curie's life teaches us that with passion and perseverance, anything is possible. What inspired you the most about her journey? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ABC English Story for more inspiring lessons. See you in the next video!